In this video, we'll cover the Shapes icon, and we'll briefly cover the line type called Score. If you like making custom cards, you'll probably use both Shapes and Score a lot. Anytime your project calls for creative basics, you'll head right to the Shapes icon. When you need things like a square for the base of a card, done. A perfect circle for a title element, there it is. A triangle, star, heart. Yes, there is lots to love about the Shapes icon. Just click the shape you want and it's instantly added to the canvas. Since we mentioned cards, let's take a look at this line here. That's a score line. Actually, if you're designing anything with a fold, from an envelope to a 3D cupcake box, scoring is your friend. During assembly, the score line signifies where to fold our cut materials. But before that, during the cutting process, the score line tells our Cricut machine exactly where to actually use the scoring tool. So anytime you see this dashed line on the canvas, that signifies a score. Rotate it or change the length to get it exactly where you want it. And just like cut and write, which we covered in previous videos, Score, here in the Cricut world, gets its own line type. We'll come back to Score in later videos when we cover the Attach function.